It's a new 2019 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, heated steering wheel, auto dimming mirrors, external memory control, hands-free liftgate, Wi-Fi hotspot, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection reports GM has carved out good space inside a tidy package and fitted the Terrain with very comfortable front bucket seats and a rear bench with enough support. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.